And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Oh, with forecast winds gust 40, 50, 60 miles an hour, the landscape is going to look completely different by morning. There'll be branches down, leaves all over the place, could be some larger limbs down, could even have a tree topple over, and we are concerned about power outages during the overnight. Hard to get a good look in Skycam right now. The camera's pretty wet, so I kind of zoomed out a bit. That's the Washington Bridge there. We've had rain really pretty much the entire afternoon here in Providence. Other areas had some rain this morning, like in southwest Rhode Island. Some rain totals already 1 to 2 inches of rain thus far. We're going to add more rain for tonight. You can see most locations, whether it's light rain or moderate rainfall in northern portions of Rhode Island, everybody getting some kind of rain right now, and that rain will continue. In fact, an area of some very heavy rain just lurking off the coast. This is moving to the west, and that's why I think we'll still have some downpours during the overnight. Probably the heaviest of rain falling before midnight, and then after midnight, the rain will back off a bit into the morning tomorrow. But that's when the winds will also be the strongest. The reason why low pressure nor'easter off to our east. If it was just going away from the area, no problems. We're good. We can say goodbye to this thing and get past this evening. But because it's going to work back to the west, it's going to keep the rain in the forecast. It's going to increase the winds. The closer the low gets to us, the closer the nor'easter gets to us, the more in the way of stronger gusts. We've had a little taste of some gusts today. Areas like to the east, Cape Cod, even the westerly area of Block Island have had gusts already over 45 miles an hour. Right now, the sustained winds are generally 10 to 20 out of the northeast. They will increase to about 20 to 25 overnight, and the gusts that are around 25, 30, a little stronger east, will start to ramp up to 40, 50, and even 60 miles an hour. And that 40, 50, 60 kind of working across the area northwest to southeast. The strongest winds right now just off the coast. You see this purple and red here. If you follow the legend up at the top, that's 50, 60 mile an hour winds. Here is Cape Cod, here is Nantucket, here's Martha's Vineyard. And as these winds push west, that's a concern for tonight. Wind gusts going up in strength. And therefore, when you have this kind of wind in the forecast, this time of year, it is very easy to have power outages across the area. We had this happen a couple years ago in 2019. Big wind event towards the end of the month. Trees were fully leaved. Widespread power outages by the time we woke up the next morning with gusts 60, 70 miles an hour. And that could be the case for tomorrow. So here's your low pressure, here's your nor'easter. Heavy rain at first, right? As we go into the midnight hour, the heaviest of rain will pivot out of the area, but that's when the winds start to increase and become stronger. By the time we get to the morning hours, winds still gusting through the morning at 40 to 50 miles an hour. Rainfall is tapering off just a bit. Into the afternoon, the low will start to move away. Still some showers in the afternoon tomorrow and still breezy as well. We really don't see the winds back off until almost Thursday morning. And the low pressure pulls away. Any lingering showers are out, and any clouds that we have on Thursday will try to break up in the afternoon, and we'll get back into a little sunshine. And we get a break Thursday and Friday before another round of rain. And it's just rain Friday night to Saturday, no wind, before it starts to dry out on Sunday. Halloween looks better, and the evening looks just fine for the trick-or-treaters. John.
Thank you, Jeff. Jack-o'-lantern spectacular.